Is kraken legal in the UK? Hey there! Have you ever wondered if it's legal to own a pet kraken? Or maybe you're just curious about the creature's mythical status and whether it's based on any real-life animal. Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to explore the legality of owning a kraken in the UK and delve into the fascinating history and mythology behind this legendary sea monster. Kraken legality. So, can you actually own a kraken in the UK? Unfortunately, the answer is no. There are no laws in the UK that specifically prohibit owning a kraken, but there are several laws that would make it impossible to do so. For example, the Dangerous Wild Animals Act 1976 prohibits the keeping of any wild animal that is dangerous to the public. A kraken would definitely fall into this category, as it is a large and powerful creature that could easily injure or kill a human. In addition, the Wildlife and Countryside Act 1981 makes it illegal to import or export any endangered species without a license. The kraken is not currently listed as an endangered species, but it is likely that it would be classified as such if it were ever discovered to exist. So, while there is no specific law against owning a kraken in the UK, it is highly unlikely that you would ever be able to obtain one legally. Kraken mythology. Despite the fact that krakens are not real, they have been a part of human culture for centuries. The earliest recorded mention of a kraken comes from the writings of the Greek historian Pliny the Elder, who described it as a giant sea monster with tentacles that could wrap around a ship and drag it to the bottom of the ocean. Over the centuries, the kraken has been featured in many other works of literature and art, including the novels Moby Dick and 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. It has also been depicted in films, television shows, and video games. The kraken is often portrayed as a fearsome and dangerous creature, but it is also sometimes seen as a symbol of strength and power. It is a fascinating creature that has captured the imagination of people for centuries. Kraken in popular culture. The kraken has been featured in many popular culture works, including Moby Dick, novel by Herman Melville; 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, novel by Jules Verne; Pirates of the Caribbean; The Curse of the Black Pearl film; Clash of Clans video game; Monster Hunter video game. The kraken is often portrayed as a large and powerful sea monster with tentacles that can reach up to 30 meters long. It is also sometimes depicted as having a venomous bite and a sharp beak. While the kraken is a fascinating creature, it is unlikely that you will ever be able to own one legally. However, you can still enjoy learning about this mythical creature and its place in popular culture. If you're interested in learning more about the kraken, I encourage you to do some research online or at your local library. There are many books and articles available that can teach you more about this legendary sea monster. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from your channel name. You can add some visuals to your video, such as images of krakens from literature and art. You can also include some sound effects, such as the sound of waves crashing against a ship. You can also add a voiceover to your video to help keep viewers engaged. I hope this helps.